Welcome to Web Infinity tutorial. Hypertext Markup Language HTML is a language capable of generate a web document that can be viewed using a web browser like Internet Explorer, Netscape, Mozilla, Opera, Safari, and other web browsers. It is composed by elements called markup tags that instruct the web browser how to display contents. Since HTML is not the only language that the web browser can understand, we can specify what we're writing that is an HTML. Now, how can that be achieved? Well, we can achieve that by embedding an HTML comment within oblique brackets. Those ones. These are tags. Now they tell the browser a specific task to execute. Most tags come in pairs. Like, for example, open tag for the HTML, which tells the browser that, well, listen, this is going to be an HTML public page, and this is a close tag. You can see then goes head open tag and head close tag, again title open tag and title close tag, again body open tag and body close tag. Now, HTML tags are not case sensitive, whether you write it with the capital letters or lowercase, it does the same impact, but W3C recommends lowercase tags in HTML4 or even XHTML, its next generation. Actually, in XHTML it demands lowercase tags. Now, HTML document is instructed with two sections, which is a head section, which is right here that I have highlighted, and its body section. What will give you what section is capable of holding or importing instructions to be executed in the body is a head section. Now, body section is a main section which displays the content of the document to the user. In HTML comment, we can supply more information, adding properties to the tag itself, and these are known as attributes. Attributes, they always come in name and the value in pair. For example, this tag that is here is a paragraph tag. Now, this paragraph tag has an attribute called align, and this attribute has value. Currently we set this value to the center, which means this text that is between paragraph open and close tag will be centralized, will be in the middle of the page, in the middle of the content. Now, you can insert attributes only in open tag, never in the close. After all, we'll need to save this document. File, save. Well, I'll save this document in my documents page. Now, HTML file extension is HTML. So first, what we'll need to write the file name, which will be index. Then we'll have to specify what would be the file extension. .html. Now we need to specify the file extension at first because we're in Notepad. And Notepad by default might save it as txt if you will not specify the HTML file extension .html. After you press save, let's test that. I have to go to my documents page and find our index page, which is right here. I'll open it with Internet Explorer, and you will see that the text is in the center of the page. Now whatever will come outside the paragraph tag, it will be aligned to the left. This is an example. I'm going to save this again by just pressing save. Refresh this page and you will see this is outside. This is example text is outside the p tag, and that's why it will be aligned automatically to the left, because by default the text in HTML will be aligned to the left. Now alignment attribute has actually 4 values: center, left, right, and justify. So your text can be centered, justified, aligned to the right. Well, you don't need to really create a line to the left, because by default it will be aligned to the left. Thank you very much for listening part 1.